How to pin someone on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can pin someone on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to pin someone on Snapchat, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Snapchat application and then simply come to the chats icon from the bottom left of the screen. Once you come to the chat page, let's say that there is a specific person you want to pin. You want to simply make sure to long press on their profile over here and then tap on chat settings and then tap on pin conversation. When you pin this conversation, they will get pinned to the top of your chat feed. But let's say this is not what you're looking for. You want to pin this shortcut to home screen. You can again tap on chat settings and select pin shortcut to home screen and then tap the add button. This will basically pin the shortcut to your home screen over here, and next time whenever you want to directly send and exchange snaps with this person, you can just select their profile like this and it will directly load you up in their chat page. This way you can pin someone on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.